quit my job at the beginning of the year. This is a product review. Most people don't realize it, but I actually quit my job at the beginning of this year. But one of the hardest things for me has been coming from a very up and active job. For those of you who don't know, I was actually in field operations for a company called Instacart. So Elived Desk actually reached out to me. I was in the market currently for a standing desk already, and the fact that they reached out to me and asked me to do a review on one really just was a win-win. They did send me this desk free of charge. First things first, let's see how long it takes to unbox this thing. Then we'll talk about some of the features and what I think of it. It only took about 30 minutes to put the whole thing together, or a 3-minute time lapse if you want to go that route. So this desk in particular, really easy to put together, which was something that I really loved. The other thing is, it fits the bill perfectly. It has settings that you can preset to whatever height you want. You can go from sitting to standing or anything in between, and it's really great. I thought that this desk was really good. There were a couple things that I thought were superfluous or a little extra. They came with a headphone hook and also a socket tray. The problem was that there weren't any holes for those. They came with wood screws that you could actually just drill into the wood wherever you wanted. Both of those items were extra things that I didn't want. I thought they would actually make the desk look worse. For those of you interested in that type of thing, it's a nice bonus to have it. For me, I actually thought it was nice that there weren't holes, and so I didn't have to use them at all. This desk supposedly can hold 220 pounds, and I happen to weigh exactly 220 pounds. Let's test it out. So the bottom line is most desks are going to be around this price point. $299 is a very fair deal for something this quality. The fact that it says it holds 220 pounds and it easily moved me, bar none, $299 is a great deal for this. And I just really love the desk. So Elived, thanks for sending this to me. And if you're looking for a standing desk, this one gets 2 thumbs up.